Hi everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to write a housekeeper job application letter, and not just what to say, but why you say it. Whether you're applying to a hotel, resort, or cleaning service, this kind of job application letter helps show the employer that you're reliable, professional, and the right person for the role. So, grab a pen or open a blank document, and let's go through the letter together, step by step. I'll explain each part and each sentence so you know exactly what to include when writing your own. Step 1. Start with your contact information. At the very top of the letter, you need to list your full contact information. This tells the employer who you are and how to reach you. Here's how it looks in our sample. Linda Carpenter, 1482 Willow Creek Drive, Toledo, Ohio, 43614. 419-5556217. linda.carpenter@email.com. Let's break that down. First is your full name, big and clear at the top. Then your street address. This shows you're local or willing to relocate. Next is your phone number. Make sure it's active and you answer it professionally. And finally, your email address. Keep it simple and professional. No nicknames or funny words. This section sets the tone and tells the employer, here's who I am, and here's how to reach me. Step 2. Add the date now. Drop down one line and add the date you're sending the letter. In this case, June 30th, 2025. This keeps your application organized and shows when you officially submitted it. Always use month, day, year format. It looks clean and professional. Step 3. The employer's contact info. Now, just like you shared your info, you also want to include the employer's details, the person or company you're writing to. Here's how it appears. Hiring manager, Sunrise Hospitality Group, 3228 Monroe Street, Toledo, Ohio, 43606. This section tells the reader, yes, this letter is meant for you. Start with hiring manager if you don't know their name. Next is the company name. Always get this right. And then the street address of the company location. Including these details shows professionalism and attention to detail, two qualities that matter a lot in housekeeping jobs. Step 4. The subject line. Next, we add a clear subject line that tells them what this letter is about. Subject. Application for housekeeper position. Short and to the point. It's like labeling a file. You want them to know what they're reading before they even get to the body of the letter. Step 5. The salutation. Greet the employer. Now, let's begin the actual letter with a proper greeting. In this case, we say, Dear Hiring Manager. This is a polite and formal way to start your letter. If you know the person's name, like Dear Mr. Johnson or Dear Ms. Rodriguez, that's even better. But if you don't, Dear Hiring Manager is totally acceptable. And yes, never skip the salutation. It's important to start your letter with courtesy. Step 6. The opening paragraph. Express your interest. All right, now we move into your first paragraph, which is your introduction. You want to say who you are and why you're writing. Here's what Linda writes. I am writing to express my interest in the housekeeper position at Sunrise Hospitality Group. With over 5 years of experience in professional housekeeping, I have developed strong attention to detail, efficiency, and reliability, qualities I believe align with the high standards of your organization. Let's break that down. I am writing to express my interest. This opening line is simple and clear. You're stating the purpose of your letter. In the housekeeper position at Sunrise Hospitality Group. Always mention the exact position you're applying for. With over 5 years of experience, here, you start giving your strongest qualification right up front. Attention to detail, efficiency, and reliability. These are key traits every housekeeper should highlight. Qualities I believe align with your organization's standards. That's a great way to show you understand what the company values. This paragraph is about making a strong first impression, clear, confident, and straight to the point. Step 7. The experience paragraph. Prove your skills. Now it's time to talk about your past experience, what you've done, and how it relates to the new job. Let's look at the next paragraph. In my previous position at Lakeside Inn, I was responsible for maintaining the cleanliness of guest rooms and common areas, managing laundry services, and ensuring timely replenishment of supplies. I consistently received positive feedback from both management and guests for my thoroughness and friendly attitude. I understand the importance of maintaining a clean and welcoming environment, and am committed to upholding your establishment's reputation for quality and service. Here's what this paragraph does really well. It names the previous employer, Lakeside Inn. Always include the company if possible. It lists duties, cleaning rooms, managing laundry, restocking supplies. These show exactly what you know how to do. It includes praise. Positive feedback from guests and managers is a great touch. It ties back to the new company by saying you're committed to upholding their standards. When you write this paragraph, ask yourself, what did I do before, and how does it help me in this new job? Step 8. Highlight special skills. This next paragraph goes into more detail about your skills and tools you know how to use. I am also familiar with the use of commercial cleaning equipment and environmentally safe cleaning practices. I take pride in my ability to work independently or as part of a team, and in my strong time management skills, which ensure all tasks are completed efficiently and up to standard. Let's look closer. Commercial cleaning equipment. This shows you can handle professional tools, not just basic supplies. Environmentally safe cleaning practices. That's a modern, responsible touch many employers appreciate. Work independently or as part of a team. Flexibility is key in housekeeping. Strong time management skills. This tells the employer you're reliable and can complete tasks on time. Use this paragraph to show what sets you apart, even if you've never worked in a hotel before. Step 9. Closing. Ask for an interview. Now we're at the final paragraph, where you express interest in meeting or speaking further. Linda writes, I would be grateful for the opportunity to contribute my skills to your housekeeping team. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached at 419-555-6217 or via email. This is respectful and professional. You're not demanding, they say, grateful, but you're showing enthusiasm. You also include your phone number again, which makes it easier for the employer to contact you. When you write your own letter, end with a gentle request for an interview and give them a clear way to reach you. Step 10. The sign-off. And finally, you want to end the letter politely and professionally. Linda closes with, Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of working with you. Then she signs off. Sincerely, Linda Carpenter. Thank you shows appreciation. I look forward to keeps the tone positive and hopeful. And sincerely is a classic and professional way to close. Always sign off with a formal closing and your full name. This is the final impression you'll leave. And there you have it. That's how to write a housekeeper job application letter from start to finish. Every part of this letter matters, from the salutation to the final sentence. It's all about showing the employer that you're experienced, reliable, and a good fit for their team. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more step-by-step guides, just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.